Mukherjee, a student of Dolphin School of Hotel Management. Presently, I am pursuing a 3 years degree course in B.Sc Hospitality and Hotel Administration. As you all can see that these are food and beverage service practical lab. Here we come once a week to perform various practical in our practical lab, various types of napkin folds. Our faculty members help us to make us understand that what are the types of how to serve food as well as beverages, how to make different types of various setups. Here we are having 4 table setups, 4 are different of their kind. So I am very glad to be a part of this Dolphin School of Hotel Management, and I am also very glad to be a part of this family, as because we are having very helpful and very proud our faculty members, that they make us understand each and everything very well. I am very much confident about my skills, and I am very sure that when I'll pursue my career job, or when I'll go for my IT exposure, I'm very much sure that I'll be doing my best over there. And so I request all of you who are watching this video that please join Dolphin School of Hotel Management. This is the best institute you have ever seen. Thank you so much.